It's hard to believe that some animals are terrifyingly scary. These animals are not just scary, but some are disgusting to look at. Nature is so amazing to have created such weird beings on our planet, and there are thousands of animal species around the globe, and some of them are worth looking at. You do not get a chance to see these animals daily, but few of these are found in deep ocean, while others are found in remote places and forests on Earth. All part of Earth are with these animals. These terrifying looking animals like them from an alien or a fantasy world to creep us out.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
The first one we have on the number 10 is giant isopod. This animal are distant relatives of shrimp and crabs. They are the largest isopod in the world, and the giant isopod has a unique and peculiar shield on its body similar to woodlouse on land. Giant isopod lives in the cold deep waters of Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Ocean, as this terrifying looking animal is not only creepy, but are good attackers at their prey. They are generally scavengers and are mostly carnivorous. These giant water animals are known to survive over 5 years without food in captivity. French zoologists Alphonse Llewellyn Edwards became the first to define the genius of this animal after his colleague collected a juvenile male P. giganteus in 1879. Giant isopods belong to the genus Bythanomus and are known to have existed more than 160 million years ago. This weird-looking animal is a delicacy in Taiwan. Number 9. Lobster moth caterpillar. This moth/caterpillar looks like a big lobster with its browny coloration and bulky swollen muscles. Lobster moth caterpillar is a unique creature that can easily scare anyone, and one etymologist called it the crustaceous fish. It was even thought to be a poisonous beetle. These caterpillars are one of the most extraordinary in the world, and they have an outstretched claws in its body swell and can lever back on itself like a lobster tail. The moth is found on the entire Palearctic ecozone except the north of Africa. The larvae of the north moth can grow to a length of 70 millimeters, and if disturbed by a potential predator, which can put the moth on a menacing display with his thoracic legs spread out and the head arched back over the body. Number 8. Starnose mole. The 22 mobile pink fleshy tentacles at the end of its snout makes the Starnose mole a terrifying animal. The small mole is found only in the wetlow areas of the northern parts of America. The tentacles on their snout have 25,000 millisensory receptors known as Alzheimer's organs, which can accurately detect seismic wave vibrations. The Starnose mole can easily smell underwater by inhaling air bubbles. Since the Starnose mole is functionally blind, the tentacles on its snout was long suspected to be used to spot electrical pulses in prey animals to little, and if any, verifiable support has been found for this theory. Number 7. Goliath tigerfish. A highly predatory and a deadly freshwater fish found in the rivers of Congo. The deadly by looks fish grows to a weight of 50 kilograms, and they are large-toothed and can grow to a length of 4.9 foot. They are one of the most fearsome fish ever seen by anyone. Their temperament is not at all cool to look like their razor-sharp teeth in front of a Goliath tigerfish. Piranhas looks like cats. And due to the large water system of the Congo River, the Goliath tigerfish has lots of space to lurk in these waters. They have the reputation as one of the best freshwater fighters among sport fishermen, which these monsters open their mouth in an encounter you will definitely run for your life. Number 6. Deep sea hatchet fish. This weird looking fish from the dark marina trench, which has a unique hatchet shaped body. There are around 45 types of hatchet fish in the ocean, and these odd looking bioluminescent fish have skinny bodies and silvery scales which have the property to counter-illuminate. Counter-illuminating means that these animals can alter the brightness of their glow depending on how much light is filtering from above. This is a clever camouflage technique to escape from its prey. The deep-sea hatchetfish are found in the waters of Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean at a depth range of 50 to 1,500 meters. The biggest setback to their scary look is their tortured eyes and gaping mouth that reminds us of zombies. Number 5. Promiscuous scullus. Promiscuous scullus is a species of squids with human-like teeth. P. scullus is known to the world from a single specimen caught by a German research vessel RV Walserharvik in an open net off Tristan de Cunha, southern Atlantic Ocean at a depth of 2 kilometers in 2007. The squid has 8 arms and 2 large tentacles. The odd teeth-like feature are actually their lips. With just 1 inch in size but with the human-like teeth with a mix of squid features, the feature can scare us out to give nightmares. Not much detail is provided about the creature, like its actual size, evolution, body systems, and eating habits. There must be much more bizarre creatures in our ocean. Number 4. Viperfish. At first glance, this looks like a machinery. A robot with deadly features and scary elongated structure of viperfish is something terrible to the eyes itself. They have needle-like sharp teeth and they are available in the deep parts of the ocean. And the unusual looking fish can grow to a length of 30 to 60 centimeters, and these fishes dive at a depth of 250 to 5,000 feet in the ocean. They come in a wide range of colors and have a light emitting organ known as photophores. As viperfish species are thought to live for 30 to 40 years in ocean but can't survive for more than an hour in captivity. The various species of the ocean looks like their body is covered in scales, and in fact is covered by a thick transparent coating of unknown substance. Number 3. Fangtooth. An example of how terrifying the marine life must be on our planet. As the name suggests, the deep-sea creature is famous for its terrifying looks. Though they have terrifying teeth and an unapproachable visage, this animal is harmless to humans, and we do not have a good understanding of the fish which is from a Versiform fish family. The deep-sea creature lives in tropical and cold temperate waters, and the fangtooth are the largest teeth of any fish in the ocean. They're among the deepest level fish, which dive at an incredible depth of 16,000 feet. These animals are a little different from the other deep-sea fish as they can live up to months of aquariums. Number 2. Frill shark. A different shark altogether. It looks like a combination of anaconda, snake, and shark, as it's one of the 2 extant species of shark in the family Chlamydolascidae as they exist in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Their long and extremely flexible jaws enable them to swallow their prey whole, and they capture the prey by bending the body and lunging forward like a snake. Frill sharks have needle-like teeth and also exhibit several primitive features which gave them the name living fossil. Their strange appearance and elongated eel-like body have earned them a name, a mythical sea serpent. Last we have on the list is chilo larva. A chilo larva is a type of sea cucumber known as abyssal sea cucumber. They are a deep-sea holothurian and one of the most scary-looking animals, and they are mostly found in abundance in the Demerara abyssal plain. A chilo larva may exist in the other parts of the ocean in the world except in North Atlantic. They are also known as sea pigs due to their resemblance to pigs, and they are one of the most successful sea-dwelling animals in the world due to their weird shape and features. It might scare other animals if encounters. A chilo larva is only a few inches long and has no face and eats mud, as one of the main threats to them is deep-sea traveling. So that's our list for now. Till next time.